Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about webbing of neck, short stature, increased carrying angle, low posterior hairline, primary amenorrhea, and short fourth metacarpal. All these are the features of Turner's syndrome. Other features of Turner syndrome includes sometimes color blindness, high arched palate, shield-shaped chest, cubital valgus deformity, spina bifida. All these are also other features. Sometimes the patient will have increased risk of coarctation of aorta. Thank you and thank you for watching.